Hello kids, I am Sangeeta Shelar ma'am to explain you here again the triangle chapter with exercise 6.3 of question number 12 to 16. Right, so let us start with question number 12. Let me read the question first because I have not written in this blackboard question number 12. The side AB and BC and the median AD of a triangle ABC are respectively proportional to the side PQ and QR and the median PM of a triangle PQR. Show that the triangle ABC and PQR both are similar. Now I have drawn over here two triangles ABC and PQR. You can see over here two triangles I have drawn. This is ABC and this is PQR. Okay, so here it is given to you that triangle ABC where AD is a median and PQ and PM is the median of the triangle PQR. Now AD is the median of the triangle ABC and PM is the median of the triangle PQR. Right, so they are proportionate. It is given like that way. So I have written over here that I have written over here AB upon PQ, AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AD upon PM. What we have to prove here, beta? We have to prove that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So to prove that, we have to write it down. See, whenever we are drawing a median, whenever we are drawing in a triangle, suppose this is your triangle, right? Whenever we are drawing a median always divide the side into two equal parts. It makes a triangle into two equal halves, right? So AD is equal to CD. See, this is B and this is what C and this is what D. So AD is equal to DC. ये दोनों equal हो गए, which is equal to half BC. I can write down like that way also. Similarly, PM is the median, so QM is equal to RM, which is equal to half QN. Right, kids? So let us go further. So here, when we are writing the given AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AD upon PM. So this is given over here. So instead of AC and QR, instead of this, I can write down 2 BD upon 2 QM because BD are there are two BD and this is BD and this is also DC. They both are equal. So I can write on 2 BD. Here QM and MR, they both are equal. So I can write on 2 QM. So this 2 and this 2 is cut. So what is the answer over here? That AB upon PQ is equal to BD this upon this, which is equal to AD upon PM. ये तो दोनों सेम ही है. Okay, so from this result, when you are showing this result, what you will get? See, this is number 1. Since all the sides आर proportional, मतलब ये सारे साइड्स अगर इक्वल है ये ट्राइंगल और ये ट्राइंगल का, तो क्या होगा? ट्राइंगल ABD इज सिमिलर टू ट्राइंगल PQM. सो सारे साइड्स अगर प्रोपोर्शनेट है तो दोनों ट्राइंगल सिमिलर हो जाएगा. एंड विच क्राइटेरिया? SSS क्राइटेरिया, सिमिलैरिटी क्राइटेरिया, इट इज़ इक्वल. सो बाय करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल ऑफ अ सिमिलर ट्राइंगल्स आर ऑलवेज इक्वल. मतलब जो भी सिमिलर होता है, दो ट्राइंगल अगर सिमिलर होते हैं तो उसके एंगल्स भी इक्वल होते हैं. सो एंगल B इज इक्वल टू एंगल Q. सो वी गेट नंबर 2 रिजल्ट. दिस 1 रिजल्ट एंड दिस इज नंबर 2 रिजल्ट बेटा. So now let us proceed further. See, now in triangle ABC and PQR, we have given over here what is number 1? AB upon PQ is equal to this one and this one. Okay, I have written over here. See, AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR. ठीक है, ये तो दिया हुआ ही है. और हमने क्या प्रूव किया उससे? दैट बी एंगल B इज इक्वल टू एंगल Q. सो एंगल B इज इक्वल टू एंगल Q. सो बाय साइड एंगल साइड it is proved that both the triangles are what? Similar. I've written over here SSS, but here it is what? SAS. Right, beta? So this is proved by side, angle and side. So let us go with the next sum. Now look here. Here it is given to you. D is the point on the side BC of a triangle ABC such that angle ADC is equal to angle BAC. Show that CA square is equal to CB into CD. That dot means into, right? So let us do the sum now. See, what is given over here? Triangle ABC. Triangle ABC I have drawn over here. AD is what? A median. This is what? A median. So median divides the angle, where angle ADC, this angle, ये वाला angle and this angle BAC, they both are equal, right? So now when they both are equal, this angle and this angle are equal, what we have to prove? That CA square is equal to CB into CD. We have to prove this. So CA square means what? CA into CA. CA into CA means CA square means 2 times CA we have to multiply, and then we have multiplied CB into CD. When you are exchanging it, CA upon CD is multiplied by CB upon CA. What you will get over here, beta? That this is nothing but equal to, it is not this, this is what? Equal to, right? So CA upon CD equal to CB upon CA. So we have to prove this, right? So in triangle BAC and CADC, BAC and ADC, अगर ये दो ट्राइंगल होंगे तो इस दोनों ट्राइंगल के अंदर हम लोग क्या लेंगे बेटा? एंगल, एक तो एंगल दिया हुआ ही है विच इज़ गिवन ओवर हियर, दिस एंगल इज गिवन ओवर हियर, दे बोथ आर इक्वल. Now what is common in this? Angle A is common in both the triangle. See, ADC में A आता है, BAC में BA आता है, तो कॉमन हो गया, तो दो एंगल हो गए, एक एंगल दिया हुआ और एक एंगल कॉमन है. So by AA criterion it is proved that both the triangles are similar, and if it is similar, that means the sides are also proportionate. So I have written over here all the sides also. So since both triangles are similar, the sides are proportionate, hence AC upon CD is equal to BC upon AC as required. So when you are cross multiplying this both, what you will get? That AC square is equal to BC square into CD square. Hence it is proved as we have required by the question, right? Now next question beta, question number 14. This question is very important question and very big also, so you have to understand it properly. Right, yeah, it question is given to you. Side AB and AC and the median AD of a triangle ABC are respectively proportional to the side PQ and PR and the median PM of the another triangle PQR. Show that the triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Right, now here what it is given to you? Here it is given to you that AB is proportionate to PQ. जो ए बी है वो proportionate to पी क्यू है. सी, ए बी इज proportionate to पी क्यू. Then here it is given to you AC is proportionate to QR, means this side is proportionate to this side, and then it is given to you that AD is proportionate to PM, means this median is also proportionate. So we have to find out that both the triangles are similar, right? So I have written over here like this way. Okay, now how to do it? To prove that both the triangles are similar. So what we have done, we have extended D up till E, ये E तक extend कर दिया, ठीक है, और उसको फिर join कर दिया C से, और इसको इधर join कर दिया B से, ठीक है। तो एक तरह का quadrilateral बन गया। वैसे ही इसको भी कैसा ही किया, तो वो भी एक तरह का quadrilateral बन गया। और quadrilateral बनने के बाद बेटा what will happen, see the quadrilateral, when the quadrilateral, this it is given to you, AE and BC bisect, AE and BC bisect each other at a point. That means what beta, AE and BC bisect, मतलब bisect का मतलब होता है टू इक्वल पार्ट्स में bisect करना. So we can say that AC is equal to BE and AB is equal to EC. That means when the when in the quadrilaterals, when the diagonals are bisecting, that means they forms a पैरेललोग्राम. एंड पैरेललोग्राम की क्या प्रॉपर्टी होती है, पैरेललोग्राम की ये प्रॉपर्टी होती है दैट ऑपोजिट साइड्स आर ऑलवेज इक्वल एंड पैरेलल. सो यू कैन से लाइक दिस वे. सो सिमिलरली we can prove that PQRL is also a parallelogram, where PR is equal to QL and PQ is equal to LR, where opposite sides are equal. So hence when you are writing like this way, so that means that AB upon PQ is equal to AC upon PR is equal to AD upon PM. That is one number one result, right? So let us go further with the next part of this sum. The next part of this sum consists of, see, AB upon PQ is equal to BE upon QL is equal to AD upon PM, that is number 2. So when we can call it that PR is equal to QR. So therefore AB upon PQ is equal to BE upon QL is equal to, instead of AD and PM, we can write on 2 AD and 2 PM, right? We can write on what? वी कैन राइट डाउन 2 AD एंड 2 PM, ठीक है। अगर मैंने ये लिखा है तो दैट मीन्स व्हाट, 2 AD का मतलब क्या होता है, AD अब और नीचे है D, और D व्हाट, E इज़ गिवन टू यू, ठीक है। तो मैंने AE लिख दिया इसको, और नीचे लिख दिया PL लिख दिया, तो क्या हो गया, पूरा साइड इक्वल हो गया, और द ट्राइंगल इज सिमिलर बाय व्हाट, SSS क्राइटेरियन, ठीक है। तो सिमिलरली दैट वी नो दैट द करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स ऑफ द सिमिलर ट्राइंगल्स आर ऑलवेज इक्वल. सो एंगल BAE कहाँ है, BAE, दिस एंगल बेटा, दिस एंगल इज इक्वल टू व्हाट, QPL, दिस एंगल, ठीक है। तो ये एंगल और ये एंगल इक्वल हो गए, ठीक है। ये नंबर 4 हो गया. सिमिलरली वी कैन प्रूव दैट AEC, हम लोग AEC को भी प्रूव कर सकते हैं इसी के साथ. तो हमारा क्या आएगा आंसर, ये एंगल, ये जो एंगल बचा ये और ये जो एंगल बचा ये दोनों इक्वल हो जाएंगे. तो अब हम लोग एंगल इक्वल हो जाएंगे तो ये नंबर 5 हो जाएगा. तो नंबर 5 को अगर हम लोग 4 से ऐड करते हैं, सो व्हाट यू विल गेट ओवर हियर, एंगल BAE प्लस CAE is equal to QPL plus RPL. That means what, BAC and QP and R. You will get this. That is number what, 6. Okay. Now in triangle ABC and PQR triangle, when the sides are proportionate, right, and when the angles are equal, ओके, एंगल्स ये दोनों इक्वल है, ये वाला एंगल इक्वल है, और ये साइड जो दी हुई है AB अपॉन PQ एंड AC अपॉन PR, दिस साइड इज इक्वल टू दिस साइड एंड दिस साइड इज इक्वल टू दिस साइड, and the angle is also equal. So we can prove that by SAS criterion. What we can prove by SAS, this side and this side, this side and this side, and this angle and this angle. So we can prove that by SAS triangle both the triangles are similar, and hence proved. Very important sum bit. Now let us go forward. That is question number 15. Now question number 15, here it is given to you A vertical pole of length 6 meter cast a shadow 4 meter long on the ground, and at the same time a tower casts a shadow 28 meter long. Find the height of the tower. Okay, we have to find the height of the tower. See, I have drawn a two triangles over here. Okay, now this tower consists of a tower, and this consists of a pole, the small and the big, right? So here AB is a tower and PQ is a pole. ओके, द शेडो ऑफ ए बी इज इक्वल टू बी सी, ये जो शेडो है वो बी सी है, और शेडो ऑफ पी क्यू इज इक्वल टू क्यू आर. नाउ एंगल दिस एंगल इज इक्वल टू दिस एंगल, बिकॉज राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल है तो राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल तो सिमिलर ही होते हैं, तो एंगल्स तो इक्वल ही होंगे बेटा. सो हम लोग ये प्रूव कर सकते हैं दैट द पोल्स एंड द टावर एंड द पोल आर वर्टिकल टू द ग्राउंड. सो बोथ द ट्राइंगल्स आर सिमिलर बाय व्हाट, दिस इज नॉट एस एस एस, this is what a similarity, right? A and A similarity, right? Again I am writing it properly. This is what a similarity, right? Now triangle AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR. सो अगर हमारे सारे एंगल्स इक्वल है तो ए सिमिलैरिटी से ये प्रूव हो गया, तो साइड्स भी प्रोपोर्शनल होंगे, corresponding part of similar triangle, right? So after this when we are writing AB क्या है हमारा यहाँ पर, what is the AB? So AB is what, AB we have to find it out, right? What is PQ? PQ is what, 6, yes, and BC is what, 28, and QR is what, 4. We have to put the figure in this ratio, and we have to find out what the answer, what is AB. AB means the height of the tower. So you can see over here that we have cross multiplied, like 28 multiplied by 6 divided by 4, you will get what, 42 answer. So the height of the tower is 42 meter long. So dear kids, I hope so you have understood this question also. Let us go with the last question of this exercise. And the last question of this exercise is, if AD and PM are median of a triangle ABC and PQR respectively, where triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, prove that AB upon PQ is equal to AD upon PM, right? So let us prove it. I have written over here, I have made ABC, I have made PQR, the median also I have made over here. Now let us prove it. See, here triangle ABC is similar to PQR. अगर ABC और PQR दोनों सिमिलर ही है तो सारे साइड प्रोपोर्शनेट होंगे, नंबर 1. सारे एंगल्स इक्वल होंगे, नंबर 2. ठीक है, अब ये सब चीज़ है. ओके, नाउ व्हाट हियर इट इज़ गिवन टू यू. See, since AD and PM are median, AD and PM are the median, so AD is equal to BC upon 2 and QM is equal to QR upon 2, राइट. सो AD जो है वो हाफ हो जाएगा BC से, और QM जो है वो हाफ हो जाएगा QR से, राइट. So from 1 and 3 what we will get, that AD upon PQ is equal to, instead of BC और QR हमें क्या लगाने का, ABD और QM लगाना है. ठीक है, बिकॉज वो हम लोग ने हाफ कर दिया. ओके, बिकॉज ऑफ द मीडियन. सो एंगल B इज इक्वल टू एंगल Q, बिकॉज आई हैव एक्सप्लेन यू फर्स्ट ओनली दैट एंगल B इज इक्वल टू एंगल Q, इट इज़ गिवन, right? So triangle ABD, so triangle ABD and PQM are similar triangle by SAS criterion, right? So we can say that AB upon PQ is equal to BD upon QM is equal to AD upon PM. So hence it is proved, my dear kids. If you have not understood, listen it again. Definitely you will understand it. Otherwise you can ask me again. Bye. See you.